So anybody that fades the double top, gap, I'm still considering 18 and a quarter. So we said use marginal highs, stick a point or two behind the 22 as your stop. And if you're coming this way, trying to use the double top, we came within one tick of it. Get a point or two, and then obviously anything beyond that is gravy. So the 30-minute chart we're still using as our base chart for support. So over here. And then we said on the push long side earlier, we were looking at the 5s. We were looking at the 10s and the 15s. So anybody that played this range and understood risk-reward ideas, probably not going to get a more favorable risk-reward than this kind of a trade to try to close the gap. It's still not an easy trade, and we need the help of a little bit of movement right here. This one bar undoes this push. So anybody that gets into the 19 to 18 range, lock it up. Tough trading range. Said today probably will be at a very small IB. And I consider the gap now closed here. So far we said resistance today. We thought boys will try to take out and make a new high. Double top could be just below it or just above it. Use a point or two behind it as your stop. And then if you're coming back this way, consider ourselves lucky. So I consider this a nice lucky trade, truthfully. Early push was up. If the boys are trying to assault the high and take that out, the first time it's been rejected, clearly. That's a double top. So we need to see where support comes in. And we've said all along that this 18 to 17 will be key for today. If that breaks, then obviously it will open up any other low. So the first part of the day that works, and now we need to see what happens on bounces. And Demon is right here. Okay, 20 and a half. We're looking at the angels and demons from overnight. $15 and a quarter is the angel. So back into middle support, right? I mean, 18 is the middle, so here we are. And anybody that made something already today, I told everybody early today, don't overtrade. Terrible odds. This is probably the best kind of odds you'll ever get, taking a double top, yearly high, and say, I hope it works. And you come back and you get this bar. This is a luck bar that, makes the day for anybody wanting the short side. And still pitiful ranges. So if you made it both ways, if you took our advice early and you played early, going long side, try to test that double top. Congrats, you already had a good day. You didn't even have to do anything else if you played this way. From our 16 area support early. And at this point in time, obviously any pullbacks, I'm looking at the 10-minute chart. Keep an eye on your 15 if you want. I'm looking at this as coming in to a support zone for profit taking, and then the bounce. Obviously, if we just chop around all day, we'll have an awful day. I like the defense by the shorts here. Still unproven that this will hold for the rest of the day, because we've come into the middle, and now the subsequent backing and filling could be even more tedious than what we've already had. So if you've had a good day already, lock it, and then be very choosy about what you do. The half gap and the gap trades are our best ideas, and that's already played out. And if you're looking at a 10, you're coming into a 10. All right, good deal.